Hello, dear friends. I'm back after a few days. Here, you see to my computer screen, it's a very fantastic logo design. So it is a summer campaign. So if you promote a company or institution, you can learn here, and you just follow my video. You can do exactly like that. It's super easy. It is not too hard. Just give a little time to learning from here. So normal attack, I need a first of all to keep the corner on a little bit small, make it small. So I need it to small it and keep this corner. I'm keeping here. You see this two picture or two GPG. This is I'm gonna pick up from the Google. You know, the Google is the center to learn many things. It is super easy to pick up from the Google. So first of all, I needed to rectangle tool. Where is the rectangle tool? You see, if I press here, then you can see this is rectangle tool. So what should I do? I need to now keep here first of all. Yes, I need to now just keep here a little bit bigger like that, or here like that. Keep here. Okay, I'm gonna put it here center. So now just a little bit bigger like that. It's a little more better. So right here, I'm keeping here. So what need I need now just this circle, exactly circle. So what should I do? I need now this ellipse tool here the center. So what should I do? I needed to put it in the center. You see this looking center. So right here you see this is making center. So a little bit. Yes, it's black. So I need to now color here to the as you I choose white color. So I need to now fill color white. Yes, you see. And this need I needed to stroke color, no need to color to go to the here. So that almost data. So what should I do? I needed now this one like that. Go to the again. I needed to rectangle tool and I go here just like that. Not a bigger, much bigger. This one, okay. So I need to now change the color. What color? I need this color. Okay, no, this not. I need a fill color. I select the fill color and do this one. Okay, so what should I do? I need to now to copy this one. I need it and center here like that, bigger here like that. Okay, no problem. Okay, so what should I do? I need to now to copy this one by pressing Alt and keep like that. Okay, okay, no problem. So what should I do? I need to now press Control then D. Yes, okay. This is okay. So I need it now this lock. Okay, so what should I do? I need to just keep this center up beside. Yes. What should I do? I need to now select this one and go to the pathfinder. You see, there's a click to minus font. Then I click here. Oh my god, how this magic. This is magic of Pathfinder. So right here I need to now just ungroup all the things because I needed to change the color. I can select this one like that. I need to now color. Where's this color? I needed this one, then that one, and this one, and this one, and I think that one. Okay, so you see to save, I'm creating this one very super easy. So what should I do? I need to now just put a cap here, this one, where I needed to keep here all the things like that here. Yes. What happened up there? Now is not creating here actually. What should I do? I need it now. I think this come today. What like that? Arrange, bring to the front side. Yes, exactly. I needed this one exactly like here, and put it this one also like that. Is just a problem. So I need it now. This also come arrange to the bring to and a side and a keep here. Okay, this fantastic. So and I need much more now. This summer campaign I need to now go to the type tool. I'm gonna go to the type tool and here type. Go to here. Just make this one bigger. Get to the here. Just double click here and get to the what summer. So go to the summer. Yes, summer. Okay. So right here I need to now change the color. Which color I need? I need it just this one color. Yes, this color is very fantastic color. So I need it now bigger, a little bit like that. I need a bold, not regular. I need a bold. Oh, it's the regular. Okay, now here bold. Okay, I mean somehow manage all the things. I need it now. Just copy here and put it here. I need another one with the campaign. So right here, keep here a little bit bigger, like that. I put it in center and create outline a little bit bigger here. That. So what should I do? I need to now go to the which one? Effect, grab, and go low wrap. You see how is fantastic music. Okay, I think this better, more better. So I need to now go to the object and I go expand appearance. Good, fantastic. I need a little bit here. Now, what should I do? I need to now just a little bit, just type this one like that. I need to type campaign. Needed to campaign, not a campaign, just campaign. Okay. So I needed to hit this one also create outline and go to the small bigger little bit. I need it now with color. Yes, I need now. Yes, okay. So color, there's a campaign here. I need to little bit here, little bit, much more, much more. So right here, just like that. Not so much. What happened is to just delete all the things. Oh my god, what happened over here? I don't know what happened is to. Okay, this is super easy. Way over here, keep. Okay, I will do this one like that. There's something wrong, so right here I will try again. I need to try this one like that. Okay, just centering all the things. Okay, here's the come to the point like that. I think it's more better. So it's more better. So like that. Okay. Okay, this fantastic. This good. Very good. So but let's now this one like that. So what should I do? I need to go to this line segment and select key by pressing shift key, and I go here and now just stay here. I need to now color. Which color? I need it which color? I need it just this one, and go to the big, a little bit bigger. Yeah, like that. Okay, this fine. I think this fine. So I need to now just this anchor point tool and go the straight and go to the here like that. Yes, right here. Done. You see how it's happening. Go to this one straight and a little bit here. You see how exactly like that. Exactly like that. What happened is here. So thanks for watching.